We, the city region of Parkstad and the municipality of Waals in the Netherlands, the German-speaking community of Belgium, and both the city and the city region of Aachen in Germany are the Charlemagne region. Formerly, as under Emperor Charles the Great, united under one flag, and nowadays cut across by three borders. With the Schengen Agreement, the borders in the EU have become blurred, and there is a lot of cross-border cooperation. But while climate change does not stop at the border, it often turns out to be the case when it comes to tackling it. Building on our cross-border cooperation, we as Charlemagne want to take cross-border steps to halt climate change in three ways. Firstly, on green mobility. Our borders are easily crossed by car. However, public transport has traditionally been designed for domestic connectivity. To ease cross-border transportation, we want an intercity connection between Aachen and Heerlen for quick travelling between Germany and the Netherlands, sustainably powered buses that connect our cities, and smart mobility to improve the accessibility of our transport systems in a sustainable way. Secondly, we want to cooperate across borders to reduce the use of raw materials. Recycling requires knowledge and craftsmanship. While both are present in Charlemagne, international exchange of waste material is sometimes impossible due to legislation. Waste material that could be recycled across the border may therefore be unnecessarily burned, or demolition material may unnecessarily go to landfill instead of being used as new building material. For the Charlemagne region to become circular, we want to use each other's waste material as a building block for a sustainable future. And third, Europe is fully committed to the generation of green renewable energy. Sun, wind, water and the earth are inexhaustible sources for this. Residual heat also presents opportunities. Some areas have more potential for this than others. In Charlemagne too, we have to deal with this. The cross-border sharing of green energy is too often hampered by technical and legal restrictions. As Charlemagne, we have great ambitions. Aachen wants to be climate neutral by 2030. City region Parkstad is aiming for 2040. This fits in with the European Union's goal of achieving at least 55% fewer CO2 emissions by 2030 and being climate neutral by 2050. To achieve this, the EU has set up the Green Deal, a series of adjustment proposals and funds with which our joint sustainability ambitions can be realised. By working closely together on sustainable mobility, circular economy and trans-European energy networks, we are giving substance to the European Green Deal in a Euro-regional way. We seek to learn and benefit from each other's strengths to realise our cross-border sustainability ambitions and tackle climate change. Our strength lies in cross-border cooperation.